Hello everyone, welcome back to the IMOFACTOR Real Estate channel. Today we are in Aldeia, a small village on the edge of the council of Idanha-a-Nova, in the district of Castelo Branco, central Portugal. Penamacor is 17 kilometers away, and São Miguel de Acha, the nearest town centre, is at a distance of only 8 kilometers. So, despite the tranquility of the village and the semi-rural environment, it has quick and easy access to larger urban centres via the municipal road. So let me introduce you to our most recent farm. The entrance is through this large gate, and straight ahead is the farm store, occupying an area of 115 square meters. The land can be accessed from the inside, through a rear gate, and also via this side passage. This property is totally urban in nature, and occupies an area of 4,000 square meters, which in turn is perfectly delimited by walls and fences. So, as you can see, we have the special peculiarity that, behind the walls, we find rural isolation and privacy, and immediately outside them, we find ourselves in the urban environment of the village, with all the advantages that this represents. Among these advantages, clearly stand out the direct access to the electricity grid and mains water networks, as well as public sewage infrastructure. Let's take a look at the land. All around us, we can see the care taken with the trees and the farmland. Given the flat, clean and fertile nature of the land, we can easily find several areas where it is appropriate to grow vegetables. Further ahead, there is a small pond, with its own spring, providing the water needed to irrigate the land. Throughout the land, among the well-tended olive grove, we will find numerous fruit trees. The fruit orchard is particularly concentrated. In this area we are approaching, close to the center of the plot. Orange trees, lemon, pomegranate, apple, fig, peach, pear, vines, prickly pear, and many others. Considering the cultivated area and the multiplicity of flora, this property has good income potential. Although it is currently used mainly for family consumption, it can still be valued by adding new varieties of fruit trees or by increasing the production of vegetables. Without forgetting that the healthy and well-tended olive grove itself represents a good source of annual income. also sufficient conditions and availability of space that can be subdivided for raising animals. Here in the corner, near one of the boundaries of the land, is the small pond, plenty with water for irrigation. And now that we have seen the land, let's take a closer look at the warehouse and its features. As we can see, the farm store has, in addition to the main gate next to the entrance, this second rear gate, which allows direct access to the land, both to people and vehicles, allowing the storage of these, as well as farming tools and vegetables. This building is registered, and despite being in good condition and having a well-structured metal sheet roof, its renovation and improvements can bring significant added value in terms of use and appreciation of the property, namely through better insulation and adaptation to other purposes. In short, today we have tried to show you a property with good potential, and whose value and infrastructure can make it attractive, especially for those looking for a quieter life in a semi-rural atmosphere and tranquility of the countryside, but without losing some of the advantages of proximity to urban environments. In fact, this seems to be a suitable location. In this small community there are not many local services, but just only a few cafes and a grocery store where you can buy vegetables and fresh bread every day. However, 8 kilometers away there is a greater range of services and, in turn, the city of Penamacor, about 10 minutes by car, offers a wide range of services, such as schools, supermarkets and other services. The cities of Castelo Branco and Fundão, at a distance of a half-hour journey, offer even more options for shopping and leisure. Another highlight is the village of Monsanto, considered the most Portuguese village in Portugal, situated just 15 kilometers away. And so, we are finishing another property tour with IMOFACTOR Real Estate. I hope that you enjoyed. Please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye. See you in the next video.